In today's digital landscape, every business professional needs to be data literate. But what does data literacy really mean? Data literacy includes, but is not limited to, how to read graphs and charts correctly, draw accurate conclusions from the data you've collected, and the ability to recognize when data is being used in misleading or inappropriate ways. In short, being data literate means you have the ability to work with and understand data. This ASPE e-learning program will teach business professionals like you foundational data knowledge, including the terms and concepts needed to thrive in today's data-driven digital landscape.